Brother Muhammad's question is related with the verse number 286 of Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Amana ar-rasulu bima unzila ilayhi min rabbihi wal mu'minun kullun amana billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi la nufarriqu bayna ahadin min rusulihi wa qalu sami'na wa ata'na ghufranaka rabbana wa ilaykal masir. Translation is, this messenger of ours believes in that which has been revealed to him from his Lord, and so do the believers. All of them believe in Allah and His angels and His books and His messengers, saying, we make no distinction between any of His messengers. And they say, we hear and we obey. We implore Thy forgiveness, O our Lord, and to Thee is the returning.
He said why God Almighty did mention His angels in the first place, then His messengers. And we have learned that the messengers, they have got a higher status than, he said, they have got a higher status, spiritual status, than angels.
But they hold the higher status, no doubt about it. But the angels bring the wahi to them, which makes them rise in status. So the angels are the first source of that blessing of Allah upon them, which makes them rise beyond angels afterwards.